Time's a wasting. Unraveling the phrase for English learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, time's a wasting. This phrase is not just about clocks and minutes, but it's packed with cultural and conversational flavor. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, usage, and the rich context behind it. Time's a wasting is a phrase that carries a sense of urgency and impatience. It's often used to motivate someone to act quickly or to remind them that they are wasting time. Interestingly, this phrase has its roots in American English and is closely associated with a get up and go attitude. It's like the phrase is saying, "The clock is ticking, and we need to make the most of every second." This phrase is particularly versatile and can be used in various contexts. Let's break it down. 1. Motivation. If you're trying to encourage someone to stop procrastinating and start doing something productive, you might say, "Come on, time's a wasting. Let's get this project started." 2. Friendly reminder. It can be a light-hearted nudge among friends or family, like when you're about to leave for a movie and someone is taking too long to get ready. 3. In professional settings, while it's less formal, it can be used in work environments to prompt action, especially if there's a sense of camaraderie and urgency. The phrase, "time's a wasting," isn't just a literal reminder about time. It's imbued with cultural significance. It reflects a value for efficiency and productivity, particularly prominent in American culture. However, it's essential to use it appropriately, considering the setting and the relationship between the speaker and the listener. There are variations of this phrase, like, "Time waits for no one," or "Time is of the essence," which carry similar meanings but might fit differently depending on the context and formality of the situation. Time's a wasting is a phrase rich in meaning and cultural context. It's a call to action, a nudge to stop procrastinating, and a reminder of the value of every moment. Whether you're motivating a friend, reminding a family member, or spurring your team into action, this phrase is a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. We hope this video helps you understand and use "time's a wasting" confidently in your daily conversations. Remember, every moment counts, so make the most of your time and keep learning.